In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a submit button in Google Forms. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. Creating forms with Google Forms is an easy and convenient way to gather information. But you may notice something when you're building your form. You'll see that during the editing process, there's no visible submit button. This can be a bit puzzling for those who are new to Google Forms, but don't worry, I'm here to clarify things for you. Now, I've already got a form open here. It could be a feedback form, a registration form, or anything else you need it for. But as you're in the editing mode, you'll notice that there's no submit button displayed at the bottom. Is it missing? Not at all. Google Forms handles this in a neat way. What you need to do to see the submit button is quite simple. Look for the preview button. It typically looks like an eye icon. You'll find this button at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. Once you do, your form will pop up in a new window, displaying exactly how it will appear to the people who you'll send your form to. Here's the moment of truth. You should now see the submit button located at the bottom of your form. Isn't that great? This button is crucial because it allows anyone filling out your form to submit their responses once they are finished. It's a big relief to know that even though it isn't visible in the editing mode, it will definitely appear when your form is live and shared with others. So remember this key point. The submit button is only hidden during the editing phase. Once your form is published and you start sharing it, the submit button is there, ready and waiting for responses. This means you don't need to worry about any technical issues regarding the submit button. It all works seamlessly once you're in the live environment. Now here's a critical part. After you've created this form and included the submit button, you're probably thinking about how to share this form with others. It's easy. You can find a send button at the top right of your editing screen as well, which allows you to send your form via email, share a link directly, or even embed it on a website. Choose the option that works best for you. Additionally, if you personalize your thank you message, this is often where respondents go after hitting that submit button, you